Hi, I came today to Awaji Island, central Japan, to Atelier Kika, a very passionate furniture maker, for my DAYBED project. Okay, so since we are here, come with me to the workshop. Let's take a look and have a chat with Kitajima-san.
Yeah.
First, let me share with you some the main points of this project. First of all, my client, Mr. M, actually he ordered from me one Hinoki bathtub and one shoji screen. He also asked me if I could provide for him a daybed. You know what a daybed is? A daybed is actually like a comfortable bench, a simple sofa that you can keep in the workplace, and when nobody's around, take an energizing nap. Maybe the reason my client, Mr. M, was looking for a daybed made with Japanese wood is because of the Hinoki relaxing properties and its aroma. And then, of course, also the resiliency and the resistance against insects. On the other hand, Mr. M was also aiming at a very minimalist and sharp design. For this reason, soft wood doesn't allow to build very thin sections. So I'm going to use keaki, which is Japanese hardwood, traditionally used in furniture making, and especially in the tokonoma, the niche characteristic of the Japanese tatami room. But now, yes, let's hear the rest from Kitajima-san. Is he in?
これケヤキですね。だからすごく目が細かくていいと思うんですよ。これ実際。
これフレーム。
これフレーム
縦型に。
縦これで取って、これ同じケヤキ。今書いてるけどこう取って、できるだけ正目のところで取って、でこう横材。
これ重いんだ。
重いですよ。
目はすごい綺麗ですね。
その合間で、この間もまだ残るし、足の部分とか、その両側に渡す部分、まあ小さい材もある。
その子の棒はここで刻みをしてる。
これも分厚い材料だったんだけど半割りにして全部やっていったので、
こんな感じで。これ節は下になるように。
もうここで長さは十分長いから、そこでいけますね。節はほとんどないですね。
あと次手の話。
そう、継ぎ手の話、最終のサイズの話。
向こうで行きましょう。